Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ownership and safety. This protects you and others. Once you have photo ID and registration, call roadside assistance or your dealer. Explain you are locked out and in the trunk. Make sure your phone stays on and location services are enabled so responders can find you. If a spare key exists nearby, arrange someone to bring it. You avoid damage, legal risk, and delays by using authorized help rather than attempting forced entry. You now focus on getting trusted professionals to assist. This minimizes harm and cost. Describe the situation clearly, trunk access needed, whether anyone is inside, and confirm proof of ownership on arrival. Ask the locksmith or service how they will open the vehicle so you can approve non-destructive methods. While waiting, remain visible and safe. Lock other belongings inside the house or with a friend. Once the pro arrives, follow their instructions and stay nearby to verify identity and final access. You complete the process by ensuring the vehicle is undamaged and that all locks and electronics function. Test doors, trunk, and remote. If there's any question about ownership, present registration, or request a records lookup via the dealer or DMV, this prevents misunderstandings. If help is delayed and safety is a concern, you may request a non-emergency police welfare check. Make sure to explain the situation and show ID when they arrive. Troubleshooting tip: keep digital copies of documents accessible for emergency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.